Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I finally have my June BoxyLuxe and I also have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month as well. And I'm just going to be unboxing those for you guys today. I'm not going to be doing like a try on like I did last month just because it can take a while and I want to get through these pretty quickly. So if you guys would like to see what I got for the month of June, keep on watching. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start out with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so when I open the box, the first thing I see is a little card that says, "Welcome to the block party." This first product just jumped right out at me just because of what it is, and I am astonished. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. I am a little shocked that this is in our box. Sunday Riley is a really expensive skincare brand, and I was not expecting to get that in this box. It's just a really thick face cream. That is awesome. I usually do get like one face cream per each like bigger box every month, so I kind of got like a collection going right now, so it'll be a little bit before I get to start using this, but so excited to have this in my box. The value of this face cream is $65. So, again, excited to have that. The next product I see in here is by Suva Beauty. This is their Hydroliner. I do actually already have this one. This one is in the shade Grease, which is their black shade. These Hydroliners are good because they're... Let me get it out of the box here. What the hell? Alright, what am I doing wrong? It's like a puzzle. So these liners are activated with water. You just take a liner brush, like the one they included in this box, which I'm super excited about because I don't have this already. And you swirl the brush into your pot, and it just creates a really nice liner for you. These are extremely long wearing. They are very opaque. It's almost like face painting is what it reminds me of when you use these. And this brush is super thin. Like, I'm sure I could get a really nice wing with this if I wanted to. So, excited to have that, even though it's something I already own. I might be able to pass this off to somebody else. I do want to start a giveaway on my channel within the next month or two. So I'm going to start accumulating products to do that with. So, look out for the giveaway, guys. Okay, so that Hydroliner and that brush, which is called the 620 brush, is $26 for the set. Alright, so reaching into here, the next thing that I'm pulling out is a Luxe Cream Matte Lip Set from Jolie Cosmetics. We got dark purple, medium purple, and red. Those are kind of interesting color choices. The red I'll probably try out, but these two here I'm probably going to pass along. Just because I'm not much for like berry shades. When it comes to lipstick, these are really purple. Yeah. So I'm not going to swatch these or anything. I'm going to probably pass those along. Alright, let's see how much those lippies are. $54 for the set. That seems a little crazy for 3 lippies. Well, I guess it depends on how much they are a piece, but for a set, that seems a little pricey. The next thing I'm seeing is a mascara. This is the Double Brush Mascara by Pixi. I don't own any mascaras from Pixi, so this will be different. This one is in the shade Beyond Black. Alright, let's see how much that Pixi mascara costs. $18. Okay. Alright, the next thing in here is from The Balm. This is one of their single shadows. Okay, this one is in the shade Take It for Granite. So it's like a granite color. It's a shimmery shade. Okay, how much is the shadow? Hello? So what's interesting about this is that this is not listed on my little insert. So I don't know if that got thrown in there by accident or if they meant to include it. So I don't know how much this costs. This was just like a little extra. So... that's cool. Alright, we got one last product in here. This looks like an eyeshadow palette. This is from Tetris. Tetris apparently collabed with Ipsy. That's interesting. That's an interesting collab, right? Never thought Tetris would be making eyeshadow. Okay, well, those are interesting colors. Not really ones that I would have chosen to like pair together. Let me just show you. We got like a deep blue, a shimmery pink, like a peach shade. Okay, Tetris. All right, let's see how much this eyeshadow palette costs. $24. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add up the value. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the value of the box to see what we're working with here. Usually you get about 5 full-size products with the Glam Bag Plus, and you pay $25 a month for it. So, I mean, just alone, remember this was $65. Let's add it up and see what we're working with here. That's $187 value, which to me is pretty fantastic. I think all in all, this is a really good box. Honestly, I've only had the Glam Bag Plus for 2 months now, and so far, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with what I've gotten both months, and I think that it's really good value for the amount of money you're paying for it. So, if you're somebody that's like really considering trying Glam Bag Plus, I say if nothing else, try it for a month, see what you think about it, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it and go back to your regular Ipsy subscription. All right, now, the real star of the show, and I hate to say it that way, but the real star of the show is going to be my BoxyLuxe. I'm excited to see what's in this box. We had a little bit more of like a personalized option this month. So we got sent an email that said we can choose like 3 skincare and 6 makeup and 2 hair care, or they had like different combinations of those types of things. You could make it really skincare heavy, you could make it really makeup heavy, or have, you know, more hair products. It just depended on your preference, whatever you like. So, being the makeup enthusiast that I am, I wanted mine to be makeup heavy. Let's see what they picked for me. I can tell you now that this box is heavy. Heavy. It's a biggin. All right, the first thing that I'm seeing is a little insert here that says BoxyCharm Getaway. I don't want to look at what's on the back of it because I'm just opening these boxes and I want to be surprised at what's inside. Okay, the first thing that I'm seeing is a dry volume blast, dry shampoo I'm guessing, styling and finishing spray from Living Proof. Living Proof is a really good hair care brand. I love their shampoos. They have one for like frizz that's incredible. So I'm excited to give this a try. Should we do it now? I want to do it. I want to do it right now. Oh, oh, that smells beautiful. It smells expensive. Okay, so it's a little sticky. It's almost like a it's got a little bit of hairspray in it, maybe? Oh yeah. Oh, okay. All right. For future reference. Gave me some volume. Okay. And like I said, it smells fantastic. So, happy to have that. I don't want to look on the back of this card because everything's on the back. I would have to look at each product to find that one. So we're just going to move along and I'll tell you at the very end how much each product was. So the next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Trustique. This is called Good Vibes Mascara. This looks interesting. It, what? Flip down to curl. What? Pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. That is crazy. We gotta pull this out. What? Flip down to curl. Oh wow. Okay, so it looks like this. on this end, and you just flip it down. Is that cool or what? Does it work? Let's find out. I'm afraid this is weird. Oh boy. It worked. What? It's a little strange though, because this doesn't like stay up. I'm afraid I'm gonna get my lid in it. But it's working. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that one? It curled those. It's hard to get your eyelashes in there though, because you can only do like little sections at a time. That is really neat. Like, I guess if you didn't have your other eyelash curler, if you're trying to be real quick about it, just grab your Trustique and roll on with it. Now, is the mascara attached any good? Don't know. So then you twist this barrel here. That's a lot of mascara in there. Holy cow. Okay. This is a really interesting looking wand. Let me show you. This is the kind of wand that I typically prefer, because I usually get the best results with this kind. Now, I already have mascara on my eyes, so I'm not going to put this on. And really, I wasn't going to try this stuff out today, but I had to. This was too cool. I really like this. Whoever thought of that was thinking outside the box. So, good job. So the next thing I'm seeing in here is in a bag. This is from PYT, so I'm pretty sure I already know what this is. We had the option to choose a hairdryer or something else this month. I don't remember what the other option was, but I chose the hairdryer, I think. So this is like a travel hairdryer, and it is the tiniest little hairdryer I think I've ever seen. Look how cute this little hairdryer is. Look, for size reference. It's so teeny, and it's purple. So, I like it. I don't know how much use I'll give it, just because my hairdryer that I usually use is bomb. But I have it. I can use it when I go traveling if I ever do. So that's cool. Okay, the next thing that I'm seeing in here is from Dr. Brandt. This is their Clean Biotic Cleanser. It's a pH-balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Dr. Brandt products for me have always been like hit or miss. I either really love them or they're kind of like, not like the best. So hopefully I like this. I guess we'll find out. Can never have too many cleansers, right? Or can you? Well, yeah, you probably can. That's probably why my skin hates me all the time. It's because I'm always switching things up. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is called Radiant Dew, and this is from Skin & Company. Truffle Therapy. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. This is something that I probably won't use a whole lot, just because I do have really oily skin, so this is not like... This wouldn't have been like my first choice for like a spray of some sort, but that's cool. We'll give it a try and see what I think of it. Okay, so moving on down to the next product. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. I know that we were supposed to get a lip gloss, and I'm assuming that's what this is. It's in the shade Peach Tea. This one's like a really nude, like pink color. It looks nice. And it smells good enough to eat. Doesn't smell like peach tea, it smells like vanilla buttercream or something. But it smells good. Okay, the next thing in here is from Pharmacy. This is their Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Okay, so that's what this looks like, this bottle. Definitely going to give this a try. We'll see what I think of it. I know the value of this box is going to be pretty crazy, because I know some of the products in here are super expensive. Alright, the next thing in here is from Touch and Soul, and this is their No Problem Prime Essence. So this is a primer. Don't know what Prime Essence means. It says, tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. Okay, well, we will give this a try when we do our makeup, but obviously not going to do that today. Sounds very liquidy. We're going to just put that right back in the box before I make a mess. All right, we got one last product in here, guys. This is the Tarte Tartist Pro Glow 3. And it says glow level extreme. Okay, this has 2 blush, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. This looks, or contour bronzer, whatever. This looks really nice. It doesn't have that tart smell, that like chocolate smell. I'm a little surprised. I get that on my nose. Oh well, that's okay. These look really pretty. Excited to use this. This is the one I was hoping I was going to get. I'm excited to add all this stuff up. Let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, so we have the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette is $45. The Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Prime Essence is $23. The Dominique Cosmetics Lip Gloss is $17. The PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer, that's cute, is $85. Stop it. $85 for that little tiny hair dryer. That blow dryer better be like the bee's knees, you know what I mean? Okay, the next product is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotics pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. That's a mouthful. That is $35. $35. And then the Pharmacy Serum is $58. I'm going blind. The Living Proof Dry Volume Blast is $29. The Trustique Crazy Cool Mascara is $25. And then the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist is $35. Good Jesus. $352. That looks gross. I gotta give it to them. This is a pretty good box. Even if I didn't, you know, want all the skincare and stuff in here, it's still a good box. Still good products. So, good job. Good job, BoxyCharm. You guys are doing a fantastic job. All right. So I can't really do like my competition like I did last month where I compared the Glam Bag Plus and my BoxyCharm just because I have the BoxyLuxe this month and it's obviously more value, more products and all that. But I think both boxes were really good. I'm excited to start using this stuff, and maybe I'll do like a try-on type of video where I use some of these products and let you guys know what I think about them. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know down below. Leave me some comments and feedback. If you guys like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload. Come back and see me again soon. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.